Just hitting a few divots in the road. Well, what's going on, Mopar community on YouTube? This is Antoine and P38, and next to me we got Xavier. What we're going to be doing today is something he's already done. You haven't drove P38 since Thanksgiving.
That's right.
Yeah, because last time you drove Mom's Altima. So today, get lesson number 2 in P38. So here we go. So, it's time to make the switcheroo. The young man is so excited. I guess I would be too. Pray for me, please. Yeah, this young man did on his parking job. You ain't touching no lines. Are you touching any lines?
No.
Well, then that's a legal parking job. You came in deep enough. And your tail end, if you draw this imaginary line at the back, your tail end isn't outside that line, so you're not an obstacle for any cars coming up the aisle. These are one-way aisles. He gets an A for this. Did mirror, your rear view, and your sides. That's why I had you set your mirrors this time. And you look. If you don't see no obstacles, then put it in reverse, and you use the camera to look back as well. But we old school. So we felt pretty good about this one. Got better depth. You don't have to always come all the way to the line or in between the lines. Tail tall. The tell all. Is our butt in the street? Butt's not in the street. So you got good depth on that one. Go ahead and hit that like and subscribe button now.